I am saving money every day by using the Amazon Lens feature on my iPhone. This feature allows you to use your Amazon Lens via your iPhone camera to look up everyday items while you're shopping or while you're searching the web on your phone. You can find and compare prices and ultimately shop at the place with the best price. Let me show you how. Open up your Amazon app and on the top right corner, locate the camera icon with a nice little plus star here. This is the Amazon Lens feature. If this is the first time you are opening this up, it will ask you to allow camera permissions to scan products. I'm accepting this term and selecting continue. You might be prompted one more time to allow Amazon to access your camera on your iPhone. I will select allow. You are now immersed in artificial intelligence within the Amazon application. Let's say I'm at my friend's house and I really like her Keurig machine. I can go ahead and scan that product and Amazon will show me what product that is and I can search and explore for the best price. It also works on barcodes to look for a better price on Amazon, or you can simply upload a screenshot of the item that you are looking for and Amazon will scan the photo and find comparable or the exact product items. I'm going to go ahead and move my finger and have the box just search this chair. Now you'll see at the bottom, I can filter by Amazon Prime shipping. While you're shopping your favorite aisles at the store, you can use Amazon Lens to scan products. If there are multiple products nearby, don't worry, you can use the Amazon search feature to zoom in and hone in on the exact product you are searching for on Amazon. Now that the secret is out on this super awesome shopping feature, don't forget to like and comment on this video if it was helpful for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all of our tips and tricks videos, and I will see you in the next video.